All right, ladies and gentlemen, how's everybody doing out there? If you're new here, welcome. Truly glad everybody stopped by. Okay. Let's get into it. All right. Shout out to Tech for this one. I really appreciate this one. I I I like setups like this, guys. I like setups like this. And just a heads up, if you guys got the Funster fork yesterday, this wheel, you don't need nothing, is already on there. Okay, I gave y'all a full detailed video on how to do that, how to get the repos and all that straight from the fork. All right, well, let me tell you a little bit about this one. This is a one-page bill. There's nothing going on. It's just one page, and I like these. This puts me back. This puts me back. I don't know if it was 18. I think it was the Shadow Bill, but the Shadow Bill had a couple of pages. But I like these one-page joints because it's not too much going on. Okay, so this is snappy. This is just. I don't know. I think this would be the fastest, the fastest Omega bill that I have seen thus far. It's just quick. There's nothing going on here. Now the only thing that I didn't like was it's not that customizable. It is that original Xenon skin like. I forgot the name of it, but it's not that customizable. You do have widgets. Um, let's just click into the main menu. Okay, it's the Xenon Tricks Gray, I guess. But if you go on the skin settings, you see it's not a lot you can do. Okay, um, but I like it. It's decent. It's really decent. Let's go here. Always when you guys get to any setup, just make sure you go into your add-on browser. I always tell you guys the same thing. Click into the first one and go to your video player input stream. You always want all three of these enabled. Okay, makes it work way better to me. And another thing you're gonna want to do is go into your player. That's important too. Okay, you want to just enable your HQ scalers. Depending on the device you got, I'm on the NVIDIA Shield, so I like to have mine on 100. But it actually tells you here what it actually does. Okay. I would say if you're on a 4K Fire Stick or something, maybe 60 might suffice. Um, but that's about it, man. Like I said, man, I want you guys to give this one a whirl, especially if you don't like too much stuff going on. If you don't like too much stuff going on, this is the one for you. Let's just go to the wizard now. I mean, it's nothing. It's nothing really, nothing really to talk about on these setups, man. Setups are pretty much the same anywhere you go. It's always going to be the same. Let's stop the buffoonery. It's not much you can go through on the setup. It's always going to have the same thing. This one right here is very different. Okay, very different. Let's just go to the Wiz and get your advanced settings set up. Okay, once we're in the Wiz, all you need to do is just go to your maintenance section and just go to your advanced settings, and that's about it. Pick the appropriate one for you. You will be prompted, and you should have a pretty decent time with this one. Let me know how you guys like this one. If you get a chance, like, share, and subscribe, but most of all, comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bells, people. As always, I'm hoping you're having a blessed, peaceful, and a productive day. Love and peace for all. Never forget, it is good to be good, and it is bad to be bad. I'm going to see you guys on the next one, y'all. Peace.